What's up, guys? I just got in the High Camp Firelight flask that is 750 milliliters with cups attached through magnets, which is fantastic. 2 of them here, boom. And I'm gonna do an unboxing. Let's dive in. What's up, guys? Just hanging out, and I am doing an unboxing. I just got this in. I've been waiting for a while now to get this. It's something I'm super excited about, and it's called High Camp Flasks. We're gonna open it up, and I'm expecting it to be beautiful. It comes in this awesome box, and this is the copper color, the Firelight flask, the 750 milliliter. Beautiful. I mean, the packaging is phenomenal. Check that out. And I don't know if you see that there, but the Chasing Creative logo. Oh man, that is amazing. That came out fantastic. So what's great about these is it's actually a flask with 2 cups. And now that I've said that, I'm sure you can see, but it has a proprietary magnetic suction there. These are the tumblers with 24-hour temperature control. Again, 750 milliliters, which for reference is like a bottle of wine. You could fill it up with whiskey as well. So there are the 2 cups, and then you have your gasket here and topper with this cool rivets around the edge. And then what's unique about it as well is it has this spout on the top to have that perfect pour. And it's lightweight now, but I can imagine when it's full, it'd have that temperature control. And then you have this nice mouth on the end that where if you're pouring, it's not gonna go everywhere, which is fantastic. Love the unboxing. I'm excited to try it out with whiskey, wine, even water. I mean, just on the go, having something like this where you have 2 cups in it, sharing for yourself or with a friend, and then you have the topper there. It's beautiful. Love the copper color. They have a ton of different colors, and I couldn't even figure out which one I wanted, but I just figured this copper color is so awesome. When you're outside and outdoors, it just gives you that energy and that excitement. I love that magnet, you know, when you take it off, you're like, how is that even sticking on there? But the magnet suction is incredible. Like when you open the cup, you're like, okay, this isn't just gonna stick back on. This is a great gift idea. I gifted this one to myself, but great gift idea for those folks out there. It comes in this awesome box, incredible job, something totally unique.